I have a large mass of ivy that is climbing my tree. How can I get rid of it without killing the tree? And this is Sue in Collierville. So, Gary, how can you get rid of this large mass of ivy without killing the tree? But it's climbing the tree, though.
Well, you've got to cut it at the base. You just got to sever all those vines, and it's going to take a long time for all those vines to drop out of that tree, unless you can hire a great big truck with a cherry picker to pull it all out for you. It's just going to be a matter of waiting it out. And then any new growth that shows up, I always say cut it down as close as you can to the ground. Okay. And any new growth, that's going to be a little bit more soft and succulent and would take up an herbicide better. Yes. As far as killing the roots. Yes. People who don't want to use herbicides, you want to dig. We have those who don't want to use herbicides. That's true. So and dig and dig. Every time you see, dig.
Yeah. It's a deep.
It's a long process. Ivy is really resilient, so that's the biggest problem. And the root system is going to stay there for quite some time.
It's massive.
It is.
Extensive.
It is.
Right. And when they're young, those leaves are young, guess what? They don't have the waxy cuticle.
Right.
Right.
Ivy has a very strong waxy cuticle that resists any kind of application. So yeah, cut it, and that way you're just touching the ivy and not getting in the tree. Right. As it comes up from the ground, you can do very targeted applications and not worry about your other plants.
Right. But again, what if somebody wanted to use an herbicide though?
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, but if somebody, do you have one that you would recommend? Is what I'm asking. Yeah, if somebody wanted to use an herbicide.
I'm glyphosate. Okay. I still believe in glyphosate. The evidence shows that it breaks down very quickly once we get into soil.
Okay. Okay. So that is one that they can use. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Yeah. Just in case somebody wants to use that.
Yes, and I've warned them against using one of those very potent brush killers.
Oh yeah,
because that's going to actually hurt your tree.
It's going to hurt the tree because they have other chemicals besides glyphosate in it.
Right. Right.
So
I think triclopyr.
Triclopyr. Yep. Yeah. It'll take care of everything.
Yeah, sure will. Yeah, so you have to be careful with that.
Oh, and even that Roundup 365. Be careful.
Yes,
that's right.
You're right. The different formulations.
Right. That's right.
So don't do it.
If you just do the standard glyphosate, standard Roundup, then you're okay. But yeah, as Carol was saying, the different formulations are tricky because it's all just under Roundup.
Yeah.
And people just pull things off the shelf.
And don't read the label. Read the label.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.